Alright, it's 7:53 in the morning. Still have some vote information. Pretty soon I'm gonna get a pack of peas and shove it down my shorts so my bone doesn't swell. Alright, so this joke's about drug addicts. There's these guys in the band, and they're really tall, except for one of them. Anyway, the guitar player obviously has abused drugs. And they had that whole Tiger Woods scandal, and the city's gonna have a lot of astrological stuff, or astrological stuff. So anyway, this dude's a Capricorn. He's married to an Aries woman. And then there's my uncle. And a bunch of my uncles have like short tempers and drug problems and stuff. Alright, so this joke goes as follows. The whole Tiger Woods scandal kind of inspired this Capricorn and his Aries wife to be more competitive in a quiet way. My uncle has like a buddy who's a handyman. I used to work for him. And so we're going to call these people Uncle Penny, Steve the Gardener, A. Jones, who's the Capricorn, and Carmela, the Aries. So A. Jones and Uncle Penny go way back because they used to do drugs in the 70s. Even though they don't remember. So, Mr. A. Jones is, he's being a Capricorn, kind of selfish prick. And his wife Carmela is going through her midlife crisis. And Uncle Penny, he just wants to hit Carmela in the sexual way. So this is what happened. Carmela pulls out her shotgun. She goes up to A. Jones. She says, "A. Jones, get in the golf cart." Uncle Penny rolls up in his electronic wheelchair. So they start to race. So Uncle Penny and A. Jones are like going the same pace. Uncle Penny's like, "Yeah, I'm finally gonna win now. Finally gonna win." And A. Jones is just driving along. And then Steve the Gardener comes out of nowhere with a hose. It's like, gives the golf cart a short circuit. Uncle Penny just zooms forward. And he thinks in victory he can claim Carmela. So as a retaliatory defense, A. Jones sends Steve the Gardener to Komodo Island. And Steve the Gardener is a very creative person. He gets angry a lot. So he had a big drinking problem in college, because he'd rather drink than learn. So he sends Steve the Gardener to college. That's A. Jones. That is Mr. Jonestown. And the Komodo dragons are like, "Oh, welcome, Steve the Gardener." And then so A. Jonestown like brings a cow as well, and he tells the Komodo, which is translated into being nice to this one. So they all start feasting on the cow. And Steve the Gardener is just kind of like standing there. He's like, oh. And then the Komodo, like the alpha Komodo, rips off like some of the round. And brings it over to Steve the Gardener. And Steve the Gardener is like, oh, for me?